channel. Today I have November's Boxycharm unboxing, and we're going to do it just like we did last month, where we have the bigger premium box versus the base box. So I'm going to go into the base box first, which is the $25 version, the smaller version. And I just want to start off by saying with this one I was really disappointed this month. They had the Natasha Denona palette, which I really wanted. Those colors looked so beautiful, especially for fall, and I didn't get it. And then to make matters worse, the first thing they have in the box is a coupon for Natasha Denona with the colors of the palette in the background. So I was like, what a bummer. I think this is the most disappointed I've been in not getting an item the entire time I've been with Boxycharm, which has been, I don't know, maybe 4 years, 3 or 4 years, a long time. I was really sad when I opened it up and didn't get that. So I know I'm probably not the only one, but a big disappointment for me this month. The first thing that I got is a palette by Beauty Creations. It's their Cali Glow highlighting palette. I really like the packaging of it and the name. It's pretty cool. And the actual palette has that same print on it. This is what it looks like inside. You have 3 highlighters. And I love the names. So we have Malibu, Santa Monica, and Manhattan Beach. It's pretty cool because we go to California frequently for vacation and we've been to all those places, so I thought that was neat. For me, only one will probably work, which is Malibu. The others are pretty dark, but I am gonna keep it. I know a lot of times I have items I give away as gifts or in giveaways, but I am going to keep that one. And on the card it says that says a summer glow all year long? Yes please. The Cali Glow highlight palette is made up of 3 shades to suit all skin tones. Malibu has a subtle champagne color. Santa Monica gives you the golden hour look all day long, and Manhattan Beach is for the ultimate bronze look. And it says it retails for $14.99. Well, that's a good price, $14.99. I haven't tried anything from their brand, I don't think, so we have to check them out. And then this is what we got in place of the Natasha Denona palette, which was, I don't know. I don't think it's comparable at all, but it's by 111 Skin. It's their Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. I mean, we all could use some hydration, I'm sure, especially in the winter months, but not suitable for me as a replacement. And there's what the bottle looks like. It says the Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster increases moisture levels by delivering a shot of concentrated hydrating ingredients into skin to combat both dryness and dehydration. And it retails for $135. I don't know about that. $135 for hyaluronic acid? Yeah, no. But we'll see if it's really worth that price because I will be trying it. And then next I have by Jekka Black. I may not be saying that name right. It says it's a liquid corrector 2.0. And I'm guessing this is the shade it's in, like a peachy shade for darkness. The little container it comes in. It says, meet the perfect under-eye brightener which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. The lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish, and it retails for $15. Then we have another moisturizing serum item, which is also odd. Why did we get 2 of this same type of item? Like we have the hyaluronic acid serum and this serum in the same box. Was that really necessary? I don't know what they're doing this month, guys, but I'm not happy with it. Maybe you are. Everyone's a little different, but this box was not my forte, as you can tell. So it says this one is a serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. So it also has hyaluronic acid. The staggered molecular weights of the hyaluronic acid are designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both the skin surface and in the epidermis. Enriched with replenishing provitamin B5, the skin's elasticity appears improved, as well as feeling and looking softer than before. Personally, it's a brand that I like, but two of the same product. Now this one's a bigger bottle. This one's 30 milliliters, where the other one, which was $135, is 20 milliliters. There's what their package looks like. Then it says that one retails for $24. Then the last item was my choice item, and I picked the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. I really love this product. I have one, but it's almost empty. And it's just a perfect lip gloss type of product for me. It gives you a glossy shine and your lips feel super moisturized. So I'll throw this on a lot of times, just, you know, with everyday looks. If I don't want to put an actual lip item on, I'll throw this on, and it gives you a nice glossy shine and feels fabulous. And it lasts a long time on your lips too. Now, when it says infused with good for you clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration, and it retails for $17. So that's all I got this month, guys, in my base box. And I don't think I told you the theme. It's Boxycharm Harvest, which is nice for the month of November. Very pretty fall colors there. I really was looking forward to that palette, and they first made it seem like everyone was getting it, I thought, from what I understood anyway, but come to find out, some people got that and some people got the 111 skin, so I don't think that was really fair. It's not really the comparison of the two. They're nowhere near the same type of product either, so I feel that when that happens, they should at least give us something kind of similar if they could. Maybe another palette or another Natasha Denona item, since they are a more expensive brand and a lot of people don't get to try them on their own because they're not affordable. Would have been cool too, but hopefully they'll improve that in the future. Now we're going to get into our premium. It has the same theme, Harvest. The first item I got in, this one is by Pure. It's their 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders Face Palette in Fair Light. The palette itself looks like. And there's the inside. So it seems pretty. I just don't know the highlight in there. It seems dark to be considered fair light. Everything else, the shades will work, but that highlight, I just don't know. If else fails, I'll use the highlight shade maybe as eyeshadow or something, or save it for when I have self-tanner on in the summer months. And it says for that, this 4-in-1 palette features a stunning mix of bronzer, highlighter, blush, and translucent setting powder arranged in a travel-friendly palette designed to help you sculpt and highlight the perfect look. Accentuate your best features and bring out the best in you with this exclusive collection. And it retails for $32. Then we have by Real Her a lip liner duo called Be Yourself and I Am Confident. I like those names. And there's the packaging on this and the tones. Let's see, they are retractable pencils, which I like. Some people don't, but I do. Do a quick swatch of them. Looks like a nice red shade. And then a nude shade. There's those. I think I got something similar in a previous box. I think it was Ipsy last month, maybe. Or was it Boxycharm? I think it was Boxycharm actually. It was by Ace Beauty though, not Real Her. For those, it says, line your lips with ease. This creamy formulation is infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter, providing a smooth application and a natural matte finish. Choose between our deep nude and true red, while preventing your favorite lipstick, matte or moisturizing, from bleeding or feathering. And it retails for $25. Then we have something I was actually excited to get. It's the Dose of Colors Block Party Shadow. Single shadow. Got mine in the shade Jackpot. And the funny story on this is I actually ordered one of these from the Charm Room a while ago. It was like a rose gold color. And I think I accidentally threw it away before I even got to use it. I was excited to get to try it. This one's a pretty green color, perfect for fall. Do a quick swatch of that for you. It's pretty. I love the little glitters in there. I don't know if you can see it or not on camera, but it has pretty like gold glitters in it. And excuse the bruise on my hand, guys. Why I haven't posted in a while, it's a long story, but that's from the hospital where they drew my blood there on my hand, and I always bruise from that. But maybe you can see it better on my finger there where I swatched it. There you go. Excuse the broken nail too. I haven't had a chance to go get them done with everything going on, but as you can see, it has that pretty gold reflex in there. And for that it says, this eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes in its own mirrored compact and they retail for $20, which is quite a bit for a single shadow, but we'll see how they perform. I've heard only good things about them, so I'm excited to try it. Then we have two brushes by Cosmetics. It looks like they're skincare brushes. So one is a cleansing brush and one is a dual-sided silicone mask applicator. Oh, okay, this is cool. One side's like scrubby texture there. I don't know if you can see it. And the other side's a flat side. And then this just has like bumps on it, I guess, to help you rub in your cleanser. It says, take cleansing to the next level with this embossed brush designed for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with a dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and evenly distributes product across your face. Use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, or mask with ultimate precision and no mess. Retails for $25. I do really like that, especially the spatula one, because I love applying masks with a brush. I usually use like a flat foundation brush, but those can get wore out from doing that after some time. But this being silicone, it should last longer. Then we have my choice item, which was the Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. And of course I got mine in shade 1, which is the lightest shade they had. And I've never tried Smashbox powders. I've tried their primers, their eyeshadows, lipsticks, but no powder. And I thought it was really cool because you twist the inside. Let me show you the compact, which is cool. It looks like a camera lens. And then when you open it up, it has a mirror, and then it says here, twist for powder, as you see. So let's see if I can give it a go. Because it's supposed to give you fresh powder every time. So you have like a solid powder underneath, and then this kind of grinds it, I guess you could say, to where you get fresh powder. Oh wow, that is cool. So now you see I just twisted the inside, and now I have some loose powder there. Now I will say, even this color being shade 1, that looks pretty dark. I'm afraid it may not work. Oh no, it does go translucent, so maybe it'll work. I'm just afraid it'll turn my foundation darker because I am so pale. I'll try it out. If all else fails, that'll be another product just like the Pure Highlight that I'll just save for when I do a self-tan. Is a weightless setting powder featuring a built-in powderizer that grinds the finest, freshest powder to set makeup, mattify, shine, and blur skin. One twist grinds pressed powder into a light diffusing micro powder, creating just enough for a smooth, even layer with less mess. And it retails for $39. And then our last item is by Grown Alchemist, their Detox Night Cream. Here's what the package looks like. Always look like toothpaste to me in these type of products, but this advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides, echinacea, I may not be saying that right, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. They detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin. It says it retails for $125. Goodness gracious. I think I've gotten something from them in another box. I don't know if it was Boxycharm or Etsy, but wow, that's expensive. So hopefully it works. I love night creams. You know, do your skincare routine in the morning, have the products for that, and then do a good one at night, have your products for that. This will be one I'll add in when I run out of my current one. I try to use up what I have open now before I open new ones, because before I had so many that were wasted because I had opened it, used some of it, and set it to the side, and then it just got old. So now I try to use it up before I open a new one. So once my current one's done, I'll start using this one. I'm not gonna lie, the base box was a disappointment, as I already said, but the premium was pretty good. We got a good balance of makeup and skincare in the premium, which was nice. I like to get a good balance. I don't like to get so much skincare, kind of like we did in the base box. I prefer a good mixture. So I'm excited to try these products, and I'll probably give some updates on some of them or incorporate them in some videos going forward like I always do. Let me know what you got in your box, if you got that Natasha Denona palette, and what you think about it if you did, or if you're like me and you're disappointed because you didn't get it. Leave me a comment below, let me know what you got. I will have a link down in the description if you want to sign up for Boxycharm if you haven't already. And also, if there are any video suggestions or videos you'd like to see from me, let me know down below as well. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe before you leave, and thank you for watching. Bye.